KRM Office 5521. The day is on the screen, as you can observe. We are continuing the tests that we are doing to confirm if could exist a remote access at your machine without your authorization. Specialized type of skills that happens maybe at specialized types of public department or coalitions linked with by inference considering the Article 239 of our Procedural Criminal Law Brazil. We observed that yesterday we had some tests pointing to the traces that let inside your machine and allowed to have this inference as conclusion, which is the replace as your instrument, which is the Wi-Fi, setting a new instrument which allows your machine to share the signal. But we closed some doors and observed that was evidenced the noise at the browser by the security of one specific bank in Brazil, pointing to Chrome, but the browser was Microsoft Edge. Today we had something different. We closed more doors at we are using two machines, as you can observe the same machine that we are using all during all this period. And we had inside the windows authorizations to get the access at your directory C, which is the computer, the machine as itself. When you have the windows and you can set modify things to decrease your security. We close the doors as guests, we close the doors as users, we close the door as administration. It means no one can have the access at the windows as to change things or install things, and we set a configuration before closing more doors and do not allow the remote access at the machine. We have a new installation of the Windows at this machine, and we had a surprise, which was a request denied to have the remote access and was not authorized because indeed it's not possible, because despite we do not authorize this during all this period, we had the access, which was a clandestine access. It's a legal procedure. It's against basic guarantees considering the Article 1, Item 4 of Brazilian Constitution, US Constitution, Article 1, Section 8 plus Preamble. Of course that this is happened today at the communication service. Yesterday we could observe at the fintech service. Financial and communication are worldwide system, and we have corruption. If the corruption is linked with worldwide system, it's an international corruption scam. But if this scam goes on by the public department, we can complain with the public department, which is the offender, even by inference. We have the postal system in the same way. For instance, it's very recommended to international authorities request information at the local federal police in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, if they solve the problem, and which was the chief. Looks like that's something like this. The chief of the federal police in Brazil leading a scam as thief robbery, cargo thievery at the postal system. But this will be maybe another problem inside the junkie area. Of course that this happened in other areas. For instance, in America we had looks like problems at the postal system during the last electoral period, and we have problems in the same way as fintech and financial donation. Similarity of problem, the same application of the international law as jurisdiction, considering the corruption an international crime. This is the idea. As you can observe, we couldn't have the remote access because indeed we close all access to the directory C as your machine. It means that it's impossible. But we will evidence this this, in the very beginning of this afternoon, 22 July 2021. It's 2 o'clock and 50 minutes, almost in the afternoon, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It's very recommended to international authorities have the courage to enact the prison of institution from institutions that have this problem, considering the Article 74, 23, item 1 of Brazilian Constitution, integrated failure, and involving the federative level a distribution of geopolitical power that goes inside the institution by misusage of prerogatives. And it's against the law, violating the Article 37 of the Brazilian Constitution. And for sure, we had, this as only the top of the iceberg, because the transnational organized crime based on public corruption and coalitions linked with indeed is exposed from this top of iceberg. Have a nice day.